Let's take a look at the OmniGraffle Object Inspector. To access it, tap on the Inspector button in the upper right corner, and that opens the inspector from the right side of the screen. The Object Inspector is the leftmost tab in the inspector. Now it's currently empty because I haven't selected anything, but as soon as I tap on an object, you can see a collection of inspectors. The first thing I'm going to do is change the color in the Fill Inspector. So I'll select the fill and make that a double radial gradient, which I kind of like. I can also change the stroke or line around the object with the Stroke Inspector. I'm going to change it to freehand and make it a little thicker. I can also change if I want the pattern of the line, but I'm going to leave it solid for now. Moving down in the inspector, you can see I can also change the shape itself with the Shape Inspector. Now currently this is a rectangle, but if I want I could make it a cloud or even a cylinder. In fact, I'll leave it a cylinder. I can also add a shadow with the Shadow Inspector. OmniGraffle gives you a lot of control over where that shadow appears and how big it is. The Image Inspector allows me to add an image to the inside of my object. And dragging down further, I have control over the font. So I'll go from Helvetica to Futura and make it bold. I can also change the alignment of the way the text appears in the object. I can put it at the bottom or the top or in the middle. Moving down further, the Geometry Inspector allows me to both control where the object is on the canvas and the width and height of the object itself. This inspector is really helpful on getting your object set on your canvas just right. And finally, you'll have the Alignment Inspector, which allows you to control how this object aligns with others on your canvas. Using the OmniGraffle Object Inspector, you have complete control over every object on your canvas.